Severe thunderstorm watch for the following county: Indian River County, Florida. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 71, effective until noon Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Indian River County, Florida. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Special weather statement. A significant